Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn what is project management and the 5 phases of project management life cycle. So first of all, what is project management? By definition, it is the process of coordinating a team and its resources to successfully execute a specific task from start to finish. It includes planning the activities, measuring the progress, allocating resources, identifying constraints, and completing the task. Now here is what the definition isn't telling you. A huge part of coordinating in project management is communication. Most project managers struggle with this because they underestimate how important and difficult it is to communicate the right information to the right people at the right time. Now, let's see the 5 phases of the project management life cycle. The first phase is initiation. It is where the projects are born. The importance of this phase is that it provides context. It aligns projects with strategy. This phase determines the key aspects like the scope, the deadline, the risk, the resources, and the people needed. In this phase, the project manager is also determined. Now, the second phase is planning. In this phase, you break down the project into smaller tasks and milestones, each with its respective deadlines. Responsibilities are distributed to people and the metrics that will determine the team's progress. The third phase is execution. As soon as the planning phase is over and people start attending to their task, the executing phase starts. This is the phase where the magic happens. People make progress towards the final goal, and the project manager manages unexpected developments and supports their people. Now, executing and monitoring are not two distinct phases in a project management life cycle. They support and complement each other. So moving on, the fourth phase is monitoring. Monitoring and controlling the project's progress is a crucial responsibility of the project managers because it enables them to stay on top of the production and proactively manage to meet the requirements. And even if the project's estimations were not accurate in the planning phase, a practical monitoring practice has a patching effect. It spots the inaccuracies early, providing the opportunity to recalibrate the rest of the project. Now, the fifth and the final phase of the project management life cycle is the closing. It is where the team delivers. Now, reports should be prepared with the completion of the project, and the team provides the outcome of the project that includes requirements which were met and which were not, key decision points where certain trade-offs happened, and the goals which were met and unmet. To sum up, the project management life cycle is an effective high-level framework that provides structure and formalizes the various phases and processes that a project goes through. Thank you. And if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel for more such content.